Deep inside you lies a hidden power. It's called your subconscious mind. It's always working, even when you're not aware of it. Your subconscious mind plays a big role in shaping your life. It influences your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. By understanding your subconscious, you can unlock amazing potential. Imagine your mind as a garden. Your conscious mind is like the gardener planting seeds. Your subconscious mind is the fertile soil where those seeds grow. Everything you experience, every thought you have gets planted in this garden. You have two minds, the conscious and the subconscious. Your conscious mind is your everyday awareness. It's what you use to think, reason, and make decisions. It's active when you're awake and alert. Your subconscious mind is much larger and more powerful. It's the storehouse of your memories, habits, and beliefs. It works silently in the background, influencing your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Think of an iceberg. The small part you see above the water is your conscious mind. The massive part, hidden below the surface, is your subconscious. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge your thoughts. It accepts them all as true. That's why it's so important to be mindful of your thoughts. Negative thoughts can lead to negative outcomes. Positive thoughts can create positive changes. When you repeat a thought over and over, it becomes a belief. Your subconscious accepts this belief as truth and starts to act accordingly. This is how your thoughts shape your reality. You can reprogram your subconscious mind for success. One powerful way is through positive affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. By repeating affirmations, you plant new, positive beliefs in your subconscious. Another powerful tool is visualization. This involves creating a clear mental picture of what you want to achieve. When you visualize, your subconscious mind believes it's real and starts working towards making it happen. Remember, your subconscious mind is always working, even when you're asleep. It's constantly taking in information and shaping your reality. By understanding the power of your subconscious, you can create the life you truly desire.